Hey, it's Keen Souls here, and today we're going to be doing a video for a overview of uSNKRS. I had a couple people on my last video comment that they want to see more uSNKRS videos, so I thought I'd make a video just going over the bot really quickly and just showing the interface and my setup within the bot, just so those people who don't have the bot or are not familiar with it can see how the bot looks like. But going forward, this is the home page of the bot. So here you're able to see the statistics like login statistics, cop statistics. Here you're able to see how many draw wins, draw losses you have, successful entries, failed entries. Also, you're able to see any purchases you have on the right-hand side here. All of my stats are showing 0 just because this is a second instance of uSNKRS I run. I run my main instance on a server like you saw before on my other video, just because I don't think my actual computer can handle the bot successfully. But going forward, here at the top right, you have a notification bell. If you get any cops or any wins, you'll see a notification here at the top right showing that. Here's our calendar screen. Here you're able to see all of the products that are loaded up on Nike.com. You're able to see the release date. You can see the price, style code, if it's a Leo or if it's a Dan drop. Also, a neat feature is you're able to see the stock levels for each size. So as you can see, high for size 7, low for size 6, things like that. So that's a pretty cool feature. So you can see what size you want to go for just based on if the size has a lot of inventory or not. Another cool feature is you're able to create a task straight from the calendar on the particular shoe. So what you would do is just click that plus sign at the top right, and it'll take you to the task creation screen where you're able to create a task for that shoe. Here you're able to change your country of choice and also refresh the calendar over here at the top right. Over here is your task creation screen. Here you're able to create your tasks. Here right now it's showing my previous task that I ran here for a test on the Air Jordan 1s. But you're able to see the product, proxy account, size, card, CVV, scheduled login time if there's one, scheduled entry time, status, and actions. If you're familiar with other bots, some of this stuff may look familiar, like you're able to start your task, duplicate it, delete your task. You're able to mass change the sizes on all of your tasks, mass change proxies, or mass change the URL. Pretty much straightforward on the screen. Here's our proxy screen. Here you're able to see any proxies that you have loaded. Here are some proxies that I have named. One cool feature with uSNKRS is whenever you add your proxies in, you're able to check those proxies. Basically, it'll just go to Nike.com so you can see your ping in milliseconds. If your proxies are good or not, or if they're slow, you're able to filter out those proxies as well, which is pretty cool. Pretty much straightforward, just adding proxies and testing them out. You can also delete them as well. Over here is your Nike account screen. Here you're able to see all of your Nike accounts that you have loaded into the bot. Over there on the right-hand side, you'll see that it says validated. Validated means that the bot was able to log into the account successfully and the account is okay. So basically, whenever you load an account, you can validate that account, and basically uSNKRS will open up a browser, log into the account, and if it's able to log into the account successfully, then it's considered validated. You also able to see, if the account is clipped or if it can't log in, it'll display an error status there for you. Also on the left-hand side here, you're able to see a login log for each account. So whenever you're running tasks, you can see if those accounts were able to log in successfully, or if they weren't able to log in, it'll show you complete log here on the left-hand side. Moving forward, this is your draw profile screen. So basically just think of this as the draw profiles attached to each account. So with each account, you can link a profile, and that profile will have your card information. So you can see CVV right there, and also preferred sizing if there is one. But you're able to link these particular Nike accounts with a profile. You're also able to unlink the accounts right here if they were linked. But that's pretty much it on this screen. This is the Nike filler screen going forward here. Basically, this is what you would use to add that information, profile information, onto a particular Nike account. So as you can see here at the top right, it says start filler tasks. Think of a filler task as a task basically logging into your Nike account and adding a profile information to that particular Nike account. So on the screen, you're able to link a particular profile to a Nike account. And that profile, you know, obviously contains your address, your card number, etc. So you're able to link those two specifically and use a proxy when doing that as well. So that's a pretty cool, neat feature. That way, you know, whenever you're going for a drop, all of that information is already saved on the account. So that cuts down the time needed for the task to fill in the information or anything like that. So it's a pretty cool feature. And then going forward, here is your settings screen. On here is just, you know, your license information, like when it expires. Also, one thing with uSNKRS is, I believe it's $100 for 6 months. And then when those 6 months is up, you have an option to renew it. I think you get a discounted price, if I'm not mistaken. But other than that, you have your basic settings in here, like your sound notifications, your Discord webhook. You're also able to export the uSNKRS bot information, like your proxies and tasks and things like that. You're able to export that. If you're moving on to another computer or another server, you're able to take that information and load it into another instance of uSNKRS. You're also able to change your delays. I leave those default how they are. I've never had an issue with that. But that's pretty much it for uSNKRS. It's, at first it may seem like a lot, but learning curve is not that bad with this bot. It's pretty much straightforward. This bot focuses on, you know, quality over quantity. So, you know how other Nike bots, you know, a lot of people run hundreds of tasks. With uSNKRS, users have had success just running 5 tasks and able to check out. The last drop you saw on my last video, I just ran 8 and was able to get to checkout. So uSNKRS is all about quality, and it simulates those entries as human as possible. So that's why it'll open up a browser and type in the information manually and everything. But it's been pretty good. I like it so far. You know, I'm definitely going to be using it for future drops coming up. So you'll definitely see more live cop videos with uSNKRS. But that's pretty much it. If there's any particular features, any questions you have with the bot, just leave it down in the questions below in the comments. And just go ahead and subscribe. Look out for more videos on uSNKRS and TSB and other Nike bots that I run. And don't forget to also hit that notification bell to be notified whenever I post a video.